Yep, it's the aftermath right now. The National Weather Service in Woodridge has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for people in parts of Gympie, Western Downs and South Burnett Council areas in south central Queensland. Issued at 4:43 p.m. Thursday, October 11, 2018. Weather situation: a very dangerous thunderstorm which had a history of producing very large hail, destructive winds and a tornado has moved out of South East Queensland warning area. Refer to state-based severe thunderstorm warnings for updates. The Bureau of Meteorology warns that at 4:45 p.m. severe thunderstorms were detected on weather radar near the south area of Biggenden. These thunderstorms are moving towards the northeast. They are forecast to affect the area northwest of Lake Bunduma by 5:15 p.m. Destructive winds and large hailstones are likely. Tornado reported at Tansy around 3:12 p.m. Tennis ball size hail up to 7 centimeters was reported at Coombia around midday. 4 to 5 centimeter hail reported between Proston and Mergon. 3 to 5 centimeter hail reported at and near Gympie. Vast property and vegetation damage across all affected towns. Queensland Fire and Emergency Services advises that people should move your car under cover or away from trees. Secure loose outdoor items. Seek shelter preferably indoors and never under trees, and to stay away from windows. Avoid using the telephone during a thunderstorm. Beware of fallen trees and power lines. And for emergency assistance, contact the SES on 132 500. Next warning is due to be issued at 5:45 p.m. A more general severe thunderstorm warning is also current for the Wide Bay and Burnett, Darling Downs and Granite Belt and parts of the Central Highlands and Coalfields, Capricornia, Maranoa and Warrego and South East Coast districts. Warnings are also available through TV and radio broadcasts. The Bureau's website at www.bom.gov.au or call 1300 659 219. The Bureau and Queensland Fire and Emergency Services would appreciate warnings being broadcast regularly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect until further notice for the following areas in south central Queensland: Gympie, Western Downs and South Burnett Council areas. Outside now. It's still hot because it's summer. And in summer it's really hot to be out here.